Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we pick up on US-1 North at mile 156.5, right where Brickell Avenue meets Southeast 15th Road. We're in the heart of Miami's Brickell district, a forest of glass towers with banks, law firms, condos, and street-level cafes packed into a walkable grid. This corridor has become Miami's financial Main Street, with some of the region's priciest office addresses concentrated along Brickell Avenue. Here's where US 41 ends on its east side. Florida signs this as the highway's eastern, not southern terminus. From this point, US 41 heads west as a one-way pair on 7th Street and 8th Street, better known locally as Tamiami Trail, a portmanteau of Tampa and Miami. It crosses the Everglades to Naples and continues up the Gulf Coast to Tampa. Through Little Havana, it doubles as Calle Ocho, then finishes right here at Brickell Avenue. Just before we cross the Miami River, off to the right at Brickell Point is the Miami Circle, a National Historic Landmark preserving an ancient Tequesta site at the mouth of the river. The green space isn't visible in our shot, but this is where the site is located, largely reburied for protection. On the southeast side of the bridge, the tall monolith you see is Manuel Carbonell's Pillar of History, a 53-foot bronze column with bas-reliefs depicting the Tequesta, topped by a 17-foot Tequesta family group. we cross the Brickell Avenue Bridge, a double-leaf bascule span that opens for marine traffic. The first bridge here dated to 1929. The current structure replaced it in 1995 and was later widened. This is the second drawbridge we've encountered on US-1 so far. North of the river, US-1 jogs 2 blocks east to pick up Biscayne Boulevard. We turn right onto Southeast 4th Street or Biscayne Boulevard Way, and then in 2 blocks, US-1 curves north as Biscayne Boulevard. From here on, we're threading the edge of Bayfront Park and downtown's core. That overhead rail you're seeing along Biscayne is the Metromover, Miami-Dade's free elevated people mover. Several stations line this stretch: Bayfront Park near Southeast 1st Street, College Bayside by the MDC campus, and Freedom Tower a bit farther north, making it easy to hop around downtown, the Brickell Loop, and the Omni Loop. Notice how wide Biscayne Boulevard feels. Northbound and southbound roadways are separated by extra-wide medians, some long used as surface parking. There's been an ongoing push, often called Biscayne Green, to convert parts of those median lots into public plazas and promenades. Pilot projects have already tested park space in the median right in front of Bayfront Park. As we continue north, the numbered cross streets count down toward Flagler Street, Southeast 2nd, Southeast 1st, and Flagler is the baseline where Miami's grid flips from southeast to northeast. Cross Flagler, and the numbers start climbing again, Northeast 1st, Northeast 2nd, and so on. Miami Avenue, a few blocks to our west, is the east-west meridian. Flagler is the north-south baseline. Coming up on Northeast 6th Street, that tall Mediterranean Revival Tower on the left is the Freedom Tower. Completed in 1925 as headquarters of the Miami Daily News, it later served from 1962 to 1974 as a federal processing center for Cuban refugees, earning the nickname Ellis Island of the South. Today the building is owned by Miami-Dade College and is reopening in 2025 following a major restoration, with new exhibitions honoring stories of migration in Miami's communities. We'll end today at Northeast 9th Street by the Nap of the Americas building, one of the world's most important internet exchange hubs, operated by Equinix at 50 Northeast 9th Street. From here, data fans out between the US, the Caribbean, and Latin America, all behind that unassuming facade. This is mile 158.5 on our US-1 journey. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.